It was the weekend that turned the picturesque Nepal into a stack of rubble. The Himalayan nation now struggles to come to terms with the unaccountable loss that hundreds of thousands of people continue to face. The death toll in one of the biggest earthquakes in 8 decades has crossed 3,700.
There is a feeling of fear in the eyes of citizens of Nepal, as the landlocked country battles its worst natural disaster in recent times. Incessant rains are adding to the woes. Thousands are living in fear as aftershocks continue to hit the mountainous country even on Monday. Millions who have been displaced after Saturday's earthquake struggle to gather back their lives from the heaps of debris. The Tribhuvan International Airport, the country's only international airport, was reopened on Monday to make way for aid from other nations that continues to flow in ever since disaster struck. While rescue teams are carrying the unabated search for survivors from the heaps of debris, hundreds of thousands of people are spending nights in the open, fearing more tremors. The death toll, however, continues to rise amid relief efforts and persistent aftershocks. With the hospitals facing acute damages, medical staff is treating the injured in open. For those who survived the quake, accommodating the patients was a mammoth task.
There are a lot of patients who have got devastating injuries, including head, scalping, de-scalping, as well as the amputations, whole of the limb amputations.
For the survivors, it was the biggest nightmare they could face. Many are trying to come to terms with the loss of their loved ones. The 7.9 magnitude quake which hit Nepal on Saturday damaged infrastructure worth billions, other than claiming thousands of lives. The tremor, with an epicenter some 50 miles east of Nepali city Pokhara, flattened its national capital Kathmandu, leaving a pall of dust all over. The over a minute-long shocks brought down centuries of Nepalese history, collapsing 4 out of 7 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including the Dharahara Tower, the Patan Darbar Square and major temples in Bhaktapur. The Nepalese authorities held a mass funeral for hundreds of victims of the earthquake on Sunday.
हमारा मामा का मामी और उसका बेटा और बेटी यहाँ पर भूकंप से मर गए बीत गए, इसलिए हम लोग रात 12 बजे से यहाँ पर इंतजार कर रहे हैं.
Search teams are also trying to reach Mount Everest, where a number of foreign trekkers are believed to be trapped. The catastrophe devastated major base camps for mountaineers, killing numerous climbers.
It was like 4,000 feet of snow just kind of coming, and there's nowhere to run. So I told everybody to get down, and then I put my hands over my head and just buried myself as much as I could. And basically the snow hit. It's about 45 seconds or a minute for it to go by.
Nepal government has sought help from the international community to fight one of the biggest national disasters it has faced. Countries including India, US, Canada, Israel, China, Pakistan and Germany, along with the UN and ASEAN, have dispatched disaster management teams to Kathmandu for helping in rescue and relief operations.